Species are always becoming extinct as they adapt or fail to adapt to competition and changing environments. Paleontologists describe this kind of extinction as background extinction. During background extinction, there is likely a period of stasis for many species. Rates of background extinction vary over time, but every now and then something really different happens. A mass extinction during which many species become extinct over a relatively short time period. A mass extinction is not just a small increase in background extinction. Entire ecosystems vanish, and entire food webs collapse. Species become extinct because their environment breaks down, and the ordinary process of natural selection cannot compensate quickly enough. Mass extinctions reduce biodiversity rapidly and dramatically because a great many species become extinct. What happens then? Some groups of organisms survive while other groups do not. The survivors face a very different world. There is less competition because so many species are extinct. Climate may have changed. That may be what caused the mass extinction. Many ecological niches open up. As adaptation and speciation produce new species to fill those niches, biodiversity slowly recovers, typically over 5 to 10 million years. Until recently, researchers looked for a single cause for each mass extinction. For example, geologic evidence shows that a gigantic asteroid crashed into Earth at the end of the Cretaceous period. The impact threw huge amounts of dust and water vapor into the atmosphere, dramatically changing global climate. At about the same time, dinosaurs and many other species became extinct. It is reasonable to infer that the asteroid played a significant role in this mass extinction. Many mass extinctions, however, were probably caused by several factors, such as volcanic eruptions, continental drift, and changing sea levels. The graph shows how the rate of extinction has changed over time. Between 200 and 100 million years ago, there was a pattern of background extinctions. What evidence is this graph probably based on? Well, most evidence we have of what happened 200 and 100 million years ago is based on evidence from the fossil record or from geologic evidence. Since this is evidence having to do with living things, it's reasonable to assume that this graph is based on the fossil record.